You dedicate immense energy to professional growth. You achieve clear success. You build genuine momentum in your career. Then suddenly, the movement stops. The effort remains at maximum. The output remains objective. Yet, you hit a coordinate where growth ceases to occur. You stand at the exact point of achievement, but the trajectory goes flat. The high performer follows every protocol with precision. They arrive precisely where they plan to be. Then, the victory arrives, but the anticipated advancement remains absent. How can a perfect execution lead to a result that is functionally hollow? A founder builds a company and successfully exits. They move to a new industry with a new team and a new product. By the second year, the growth curve flattens at the exact same percentage as the previous venture. The environment was transformed, but the outcome remained static. A professional receives the promotion they targeted for 3 years. They walk into a new office with a higher title. Within 6 months, the same invisible ceiling they escaped reappears in the new building. The external variables were all replaced. The project changed. The manager changed. The company changed. Yet the plateau arrived at the same interval. The milestone is reached, but the behavior continues without interruption. Why does the limit on your growth remain identical regardless of where you go? This is where most people freeze. But at Solver's Studio, we go to our toolkit. The Solver's 6. The tool we're going to use for this scenario is pattern mapping and insight. Currently, each career stall is measured as a unique external event caused by the environment. This measurement creates confusion because changing the job does not stop the growth plateau from repeating. The tool shifts the evaluation from the external context to the internal behavioral mechanism, revealing the structural constant across different roles. Step 1. Diagram the repeating structure. Isolate the specific moment when momentum consistently dies. The worker achieves initial success, but then automates their expertise, stopping the engagement with new, ambiguous problems. By diagramming the structure, it becomes visible that the plateau is a predictable result of moving from exploration to execution. Step 2. Locate the primary pattern anchor. Identify the hidden behavioral rule that prioritizes comfort and energy preservation over the complexity required for the next level. This anchor functions as an invisible constraint that prevents the high performer from taking the necessary risks for further advancement. Once the anchor is located, the stall is reclassified from an external failure to a visible internal behavioral limit. Step 3. Insert a commitment trigger before the pattern begins. Establish a new rule where completing a major milestone automatically triggers a commitment to a difficult, non-routine project. This mechanism bypasses the impulse for stasis and forces continuous engagement with complexity. Future decisions become easier because the criteria for action move from environmental comfort to mandatory project difficulty. Diagram the repeating structure. Locate the primary pattern anchor. Insert a commitment trigger. Now let's apply the same process somewhere else. A worker hits the same professional ceiling in 3 different companies. By applying the tool, they map their behavior and isolate a pattern of refusing a specific responsibility, such as public speaking, in every role. They locate the anchor as a hidden rule of risk avoidance. They insert a commitment trigger. Within 90 days of starting any new job, they must volunteer for the exact task they previously avoided. The repeating ceiling disappears because the structural behavioral constraint has been removed. The mistake was treating a recurring pattern as an isolated external accident. The mapping revealed that the limit on growth was a migrated structural flaw in behavior. By inserting a trigger, the cycle is broken. Clarity is gained by seeing the mechanism, and the path to the next level of contribution is now open.